Hey guys, I know that you use a lot of figurative language in your mother tongue in your everyday life, even without noticing it. We do the same in English. I'm going to show you a few words which we can use in their literal and figurative meaning. One of them is shatter or shattering. Shatter, we use this word to talk about a person who shakes or shivers because of cold.
God, stop shaking, man.
But this word has another figurative meaning.
Shudder to think.
I see you as a young Meg Ryan myself.
I shudder to think. I shudder to think, it means that you are even afraid of thinking about something, not even doing it. Another word is swarm. Swarm. We use this word to talk about huge amounts of insects, for instance, swarms of locusts. But we also can use this word to talk about crowds of people.
Wow, it's rough basking in the sun all day, having girls swarm all over you.
So the next time, instead of saying a crowd of people, you can say a swarm of people or swarms of people. The third word is buzz or buzzing. You know it because of this insect. This is actually the sound they produce when they fly. So you can use it when you talk about bees. But if you would like to show your proficiency in the language, you can use this word to talk about people, for instance, like here.
Ooh, you know what everyone's buzzing about is the bean sprout quesadilla.
When you say that people are buzzing, it means that they're rumoring or chit-chatting about something, discussing some interesting news. The next word is groan. Groan. Basically, it's a long, low sound which is produced by a person who is suffering or who is in pain. But also you can use this word like here.
On October the 28th, 1918, the Austro-Hungarian Empire gave one last groan and finally collapsed.
Can an empire groan? Like maybe people in the empire, yeah. But here it's used like to show that something happened before the destruction of this empire. Also you can say that a table groans with food. A table groans with food. It means that you can find a lot of food on this table. And the last but not least is this one. We call this sound roar. Roar. You can use this word when you talk about lions, tigers and other animals, or you can use this word when you talk about people, like here.
That morning, Wall Street boomed its usual golden roar.
When we say that people are roaring, it means that a crowd of people is speaking about something loudly and you can't really understand what are they speaking about. And another meaning, you can say that people are roaring when they are laughing loudly because of something. So there are 5 words that you can use in their literal and figurative meaning. Follow for more.